Hello and welcome back to Amulya's Academy YouTube channel. We were discussing DFS algorithm, and in the previous tutorial we saw how to use DFS algorithm to find whether the given graph is a connected graph or a disconnected graph. Today let's see how to traverse a disconnected graph using DFS algorithm. As I said in the previous tutorial, if you apply DFS algorithm on a disconnected graph, it won't visit all the nodes of the graph. Because disconnected graph contains different connected components, there will be no path between those connected components. We can't visit all the nodes of the graph. Just for an example, if you apply DFS algorithm on this graph, if I take starting node as A, I can visit B, C, D, this connected component, but I can't visit these three nodes. And also if I take this node as the starting node, I can visit these two nodes, but we can't visit these four nodes, right? So what to do in this situation? How to traverse the disconnected graph using DFS algorithm? For this, simple solution is you need to call DFS algorithm for these connected components again. So we'll check all the nodes of the graph is visited or not. If any node is not visited, we'll call the DFS function on that. In the program, okay, here we have add node, add edge and DFS function, as well as visited set, graph dictionary, add node function, add edge function. This is the representation of this graph. And here we are printing the graph and calling the DFS function. So here we are taking A as the starting node. Here we wrote the code to find out whether the graph is a connected graph or a disconnected graph. Today we don't want that. We want to find whether all the nodes of the graph is visited. If any node is not visited, then call the DFS function on that node. So for that, don't want this part. We need this condition because we want to check whether all the nodes of the graph is visited. So for that, we need to pick one node from the graph and we need to check whether that node is present in the visited set. That means we are checking whether that node is visited or not. So here we need these two conditions. Inside this, if I not in visited, if a node is not in visited, just call DFS function on that node. Just I visited and graph. That's it. If any node is not visited, then call the DFS function on that. So if I execute this now, here you can see all the nodes are visited. Right? Actually, this is a disconnected graph. So what we are doing is, after calling the DFS function, we'll check whether all the nodes are visited or not. For this, we are using this condition. If any node is not in visited set, then call the DFS function on that node. Here, if you want, you can print like this also, like next component, connected component, like this also. And here you can add another node if you want, like this. Just take K, and I won't add any edge to that. Okay, so now if I execute this, here you can see we have three connected components like this. Okay, so this is how we can traverse a disconnected graph using DFS algorithm. Alright, that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.